Hello everyone, and welcome to second part of process integration. So the first part of this unit was covered by Dr. Simon Perry, and now the second part it will be covered by me. My name is Dr. Salman Shahid, and my part constitutes around 35 to 40% of this unit. And as you know that I'm mainly involved in e-test and coursework as well. So we are covering around 50% each of this course. So let's uh, just to give you a background of myself because I didn't get the chance to talk to you during the first part of this unit. So just to introduce myself, so I'm basically a chemical engineer, and I did most of my studies in Europe, and where I was involved in development of novel materials, novel smart materials that we can use to enhance and recover energy from our system. So here, just to give you an example. So, for example, these are the materials developed by me that where we can actually modify the nature of the material in terms of its pore size and wettability by applying electric current. Okay, and these systems are very efficient in terms of energy recovery. Um, Prior to my research background, I also worked 3 years as a process engineer in utility systems in a fertilizer plant where we design mostly process intensified systems. Um, I joined University of Manchester last year in March, and before that, I worked at University of Bath for a couple of years, 4 years. And currently, I'm involved in teaching and research supervision and administration. As some of you know, that I am the deputy undergraduate program director. So if you have any concerns related with your course or other courses as well, or the curriculum itself, assessment, please don't hesitate to talk to me. Okay, then I can feed it to the department and the faculty level. So just to give you an idea of how the rest of the course will be running now, it is slightly different from what Simon put it online that I have already modified. So we will continue with the next lecture that will be on the coming Thursday, that is week 7, and we will talk about multiple utilities targeting and threshold problems. We will look at the solution of problem 7, and then I will introduce problem 8 and problem 9. Then on in week 8, we will talk about capital energy trade-off. That is actually looking at area targeting and also energy targets like what you discussed with Simon in the first part of the unit. And then we will look at problem 10, and then there will be last lecture, actually a long lecture in week 9. Sorry, not week 9, sorry, that will be the week after Easter. Okay, so that will be the week 9 in terms of teaching week 9, and that will be the lecture after Easter. Okay, and that will be on fire heater and furnaces, where we will look at different how we can design furnaces and what are the parameters involved in fire heaters. And if you have any questions related with my material, there will be a drop-in session. You can ask me in the lecture as well, but there also will be opportunity for you to review the material and then join this uh, drop-in session. So for week 7, it will be Thursday 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and actually this is a recurring meeting. It means that every week after teaching session, it will be on Thursday from 1 to 2 p.m. Okay, so you can use this link that I have already placed in the lecture folder. So this link will be available in each lecture folder, but this is the same link. And then I have also created a Padlet page for you. So if you have any question and you don't want to use discussion board, you can use this Padlet page to put your questions that are anonymized, so you don't need to worry about your name or anything. You can leave just your question. But I would prefer that if you use discussion board, because it will allow all your colleagues to even benefit from your question as well. So that is all about my introduction and my plan for the rest of the course. And I look forward to meet you in the next lecture. Thank you so much for your time.